Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a good one today. I'm the Metal Junkie, and today I'm checking out a band that's been requested quite a bit over the last few years. It's Uriah Heep. I think that's how you say it. And I'm going to check out some songs off their... Is it Salisbury album? Is that how you pronounce it? Or is it Salisbury? I think it's Salisbury. I don't know. But yeah, 1971 album, I believe. Yes. And I'm going to check out two songs today, Bird of Prey and Lady in Black. We're going to check them out. I never heard any songs from these guys before. But like I said, they seem to be heavily requested. So I've been meaning to check them out. Here we are today. We're going to see what they're all about. Let's go. That was so cool. I'm restarting that. Very cool. All the different layer of vocals and everything. That riff is so badass. Down, 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 boom, 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 boom. It's very catchy. My first time hearing this, and I can tell it's so damn good just on my first listen. Very unique vocals, especially when he goes high. But I'm enjoying this, man. It's just so much energy. A little bit more fast-paced than I was expecting, maybe from the year or whatever. But damn, this is good. Like, real good. I'm loving everything about it. Dum 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 dum. Like an eagle from its and like a bird of prey she captures. Okay, now that I'm focusing more, are those keys in the background? I don't know if it's synths or whatever, but I think it's just keys. But damn, does it sound cool in the background? If that's what it is. Like a bird of prey she captures. But I am older and more wise than you. Bird of prey straight into me. Damn, son. They're up there in the big leagues with this song anyway. I think they're just as great as Black Sabbath, Led Zeppelin, Deep Purple, all those bands that came out around the same time or were playing at the same time in 71. This is up there, and I just never listened to it, and I feel stupid now. Because, man, was that badass. Cool riffs. Perhaps not everybody would like his vocals when he goes super high, because they're definitely unique, and you know what I'm talking about. But I still enjoy it, man, and the music is just so grooving, so cool. I can't wait to check out the next track. Let's do it right now. Lady in Black. Hopefully they keep up with this high amount of quality.
She came to me one morning, one lonely Sunday morning, her long hair flowing in the midwinter wind. I know not how she found me, for in darkness I was walking, and destruction lay around me from a fight I could not win.
Okay, one thing I noticed, these two songs sound very different from each other, but they both share the same type of vocals in a way where the vocalist gets to do some melodies with his vocals instead of just singing, you know what I mean? Like the a cappella almost that he's doing there. That's kind of interesting, but yeah, these are two very different sounds. The way this one started, I'm like, is this going to be a Western? But it's not quite, it's more like folk rock or something like that. I love the bass too, how it's, well, you really feel the impact of it on this track with the acoustics. The melody of the acoustics are fantastic. Great vocals again. A much different song, but still very good. Hard to tell it's the same band at some points. But yeah, damn good track so far. And who can't resist a woman in black or lady in black?
But she would not think of battle that reduces men to animals, so easy to begin and yet impossible to end. For she, the mother of all men, can counsel me so wisely, then I feared to walk alone again and asked if she would stay.
You have to really listen. You start to pick apart the layers. There's almost like an orchestra, symphonic elements in the background here too. Very interesting. It really definitely adds to the feel of the track, you know.
There is no strength in numbers, have no such misconception, but when you meet me, be assured I won't be far away. Thus having spoke, she turned away, and though I found no words to say, I stood and watched until I saw her black cloak disappear. My labor is no easier, but now I know I'm not alone.
melodic vocals really go a long way, eh? I love how the bass kind of keeps you going, right? That boom, 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 and ending with the no 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 no. Just love the thumping of it. Yeah, great track. Like I said, very different than the other one. I like that line. And if you see her, say hi from me or something like that. I wish I would have been honed in more on the lyrics. I will only really on the second half, but yeah, damn fantastic track. Can't wait to revisit both of these, on my own time. As for first time listens, these are very, very good. I mean, you can tell right away that I'm going to enjoy these tracks. So give me some more Uriah Heep. I think that's how you say it in the comment section. So far, it seems like a band that's very overlooked nowadays. So I'm excited to return to them, and I'm glad I finally did listen to them. So yeah, drop some suggestions down below, and thanks for watching. Until next time, like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future reactions. And that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching.